Let's try a couple more. What's the derivative of 2 sine x? Well, hopefully you remember, if there's a constant out the front, we're just going to put that times the derivative of sine x, which is cos x. That wasn't difficult, but it wasn't meant to be. Okay, what's the derivative of sine 2x? Well, here we're actually going to use the chain rule. Derivative of the outside times the derivative of the inside. Well, the derivative of the outside is cos 2x. And the derivative of the inside is 2. So the derivative of sine 2x is 2 cos 2x. Let's make that a little more complex. What's the derivative of 3 cos 5x? Now you'll notice I do get a bit lazier than the textbook. I don't bother putting brackets around here if the meaning is obvious. The textbook's keen on putting brackets everywhere. I only put them in if it's a little bit ambiguous. Okay, 3 cos 5x. I'm going to be timesing something by 3. What's the derivative of cos 5x? Well, the derivative of the outside is cos, so the derivative of cos is negative sine. And I'm going to times that by the derivative of the inside, which is 5. Now you'll notice I deliberately wrote the 5 in the front, not later. That's because I knew what the shape was going to be. Later on, when it gets a bit more complex, I won't do that. I'm actually quite happy for you to go directly from this to 15, sine. Give me a moment. Let me try that again. I'm actually happy for you to go directly from this to 15 sine 5x, except you have to remember it's negative. I don't mind if you go directly from this line to this line once you get comfortable knowing what you're doing. Until you're comfortable, by all means add in this extra line. Let's try another one. What's the derivative of 3 sine negative 5x? And notice I put the brackets in when it got a bit more complicated. Well, the 3 is going out the front. I've also got a negative 5 coming out the front from the inside. And the derivative of sine is cos. So what I've got now is negative 15 cos negative 5x. Remember, anytime you're using the chain rule, the thing inside here doesn't change. But then we multiply by the derivative of it outside. The thing inside is still negative 5x. Then we multiply by the derivative of that, which is negative 5.